Okay, I just wanted to share some additional information to talk specifically about what I did to repair this head here. What I replaced was this part here, these parts I should say, because this gray part on the bottom is a filter, and that actually goes down into the stem that I'll show you just in a second here. And then this black part here screws onto the stem. And again, that's the part that I replaced, and I could not find this part the other day, and I was cleaning the beds here just yesterday, and I found this piece in the bed, and I'm not sure if I could have used this part or not. It might have just worked its way loose, and when the water came on, it just blew it off. So I potentially could have used this again, but I couldn't find it when I first noticed that this part was damaged. But to get the stem part, which is the black stem there, to get that out of there, I initially unscrewed this base here, and that and it's spring loaded also. There's a spring down inside of there, and that allowed me to gain access to that base there, to the stem rather. And once I did that, I did clamp this with some vice grips, just lightly. It is made of plastic, so you don't want to tighten down on it too much. And then I was able to screw this, again, put the filter in and screw the cap down into it. So once I did that, that's actually all it took to repair that. So pretty simple fix. And just wanted to insert this clip in before I conclude this video. Okay, I repaired the head, and what I've done is replace this piece here. This cap screws onto this stem here, and so what I did is just screwed that back on. And also, if you replace this nozzle, and if it's not spraying in the direction that you would like for it to spray, you basically have to grab this here. You probably could do it with your hand and then twist it in the direction that it needs to go. But anyway, that's how you can make adjustments with that valve there. So everything is working great now. Other heads spraying over there, and others throughout these beds. So everything's working great. Let me know if there are questions. Thanks for joining.